In the previous video, we discussed about linear equations in one variable, brain teaser, first main, A main we discussed. All 5 questions we solved. Now let us solve B main, brain teaser, B main questions. Answer the following questions. Under that, A1th question, find a number whose fifth part increased by 30 is equal to its fourth part decreased by 30. You have to find a number. How to find the number? Here they given condition. The condition is fifth part increased by 30 is equal to its fourth part decreased by 30. So what you have to find here, that you have to consider as let the number be x. You have to find a number, no? So consider this number be x. Condition given here, whose fifth part increased by 30, nothing but x is the number, whose fifth part, nothing but x by 5 increased by 30. So write down here, then fifth part increased by 30 can be written as x by 5 plus 30. Increased means you have to write plus 30. Okay, again is equal to its fourth part decreased by 30. Again its fourth part means numbers fourth part decreased by 30. So write down here, fourth part decreased by 30. X is the number, its fourth part means x by 4 is decreased means minus you have to do. How much minus? 30 minus. So x by 4 minus 30. According to the question, now you have to frame an equation. Here they given fifth part increased by 30 is equal to its fourth part decreased by 30. So we have x by 5 plus 30. Fifth part increased by 30 is equal to x by 4 minus 30. Nothing but fourth part decreased by 30. We got here linear equation. Remaining all simplification. Take all x terms to one side and numbers to another side. X by 5 plus x by 4 converts to x minus x by 4 in the RHS side is equals to, write as it is, minus 30, write as it is, plus 30 when you take to the RHS it converts to minus 30. Take LCM because here 5, 4, LCM is 20. 5 divided by 20, 5 4s are 20, multiply 4 here, 4 into x, 4x. Similarly, minus write as it is, divide 20, LCM divide here, 4 5s are 20, multiply 5 here, 5 into x, 5x. 4x minus 5x divided by 20 is equals to minus into minus plus 30 plus 30, 60. Greater number here, both are equal number, so write down minus sign for 60. Next, 4x plus 4x minus 5x gives plus into minus minus, 5x minus 4x is 1x. Greater number sign minus, divide by 20, write as it is equals to minus 60. Minus minus you can cancel here only, or in the next step you can multiply and keep as plus. Now only you want x value. So x equals to complete minus 1 by 20 take to the RHS side. X equal to minus 60 into minus 1 by 20, write its reciprocal, minus 20 by 1. Minus into minus plus 6 2s are 12, remaining 2 zeros, write as it is. Then we got x equal to 1200. Here what he asked? Find a number. So what is the number? 1200 is the number. This completes B main A1 question. Next let us solve B main B1 question. Raman had 30 flowers. He offered some flowers in a temple and found that the ratio of the number of remaining flowers to that of flowers in the beginning is 2:5. Find the number of flowers offered by him in the temple. Here Ramesh had total 30 flowers. out of 30 flowers, some flowers he offered to temple. Nothing but he gave some flowers to temple. Not given any number. Just some flowers offered to temple. And found that after offering some flowers to temple, he found that the ratio of the number of remaining flowers, how much remaining flowers to that of flowers in the beginning, is ratio 2:5. Condition given here, children. Okay, now you have to find the number of flowers offered by him in the temple. You have to find how many numbers out of 30, how many number of flowers he offered to temple. Okay, first, what given here? Total flowers given. How many flowers Raman had? 30 flowers. So write down total flowers is equals to 30. Now what you have to find here? Find the number of flowers offered by him in the temple. So you have to consider this as x. Let flowers offered by in the temple be x. What you have to find? No, that only you have to consider as x. Then remaining flowers, here total flowers is 30. Out of 30, some flowers he offered to temple. Nothing but you have to subtract. These are the remaining flowers. Okay, remaining flowers can be written as 30 minus x. These are left flowers with Raman. Now the given condition, according to the condition, remaining flowers here given, ratio of the number of remaining flowers to that of flowers in the beginning. So you have to write remaining flowers to that of, nothing but write down ratio, flowers in the beginning is equals to, flowers in the beginning is 2:5 is equals to 2:5. Remaining flowers we got here 30 minus x. Write down 30 minus x is 2. Flowers in the beginning. Flowers in the beginning before offering to temple. How many flowers he had? 30 flowers. So write down 30. Flowers in the beginning 30 is equals to 2:5. Write as it is. This is ratio. Ratio can be divided. 30 minus x divided by 30 is equals to 2:5 can be written as 2/5. Now you got the linear equation. Remaining all simplification. Go for cross multiplication. 5 multiply with 30 minus x is equals to 2 into 30. 5 into 30, 150 minus 5 into x, 5x is equals to 32 is 60. Minus 5x keep as it is. 60, this plus 150 take to the RHS side, it converts to minus 150. Minus 5x as it is equals to 150 minus 60 is minus 90. Minus minus get cancelled. X is equals to 90 by 5. 5 ones are 5 ones are 5 8s are 40. Nothing but 5 ones are 5 18s are 90. X equal to 18. So what is this x? What we consider this x as? X we considered as flowers offered in the temple. Be x. So what we got here? Number of flowers offered in the temple is 18. So therefore, last conclusion you have to write. Therefore, the number of flowers offered in the temple is 18. This completes brain teaser B main B1 question. Let us solve C1 question. The tens and ones digits of a 2-digit number are the same. When the number is added to its reverse, the sum is 88. What is the number? Here they given tens and ones digit of 2-digit number. One 2-digit number is there. Condition given, tens and ones place digits are same. For example, 55. In ones place and tens place, 5 same digits. 44, 11, 22, 33, like that some number is there where tens and ones digits of a 2-digit number are the same. Condition, when the number is added to its reverse. A number is added to its reverse. For example, 11 reverse is 11 itself. 22 reverse is 22. in the same manner, a number added to its reverse, the sum is 88. Sum is 88. This is the condition given. Now you have to find what is that number. What is the number? Okay. First consider, let the digits at both ones digits and tens digits and ones place be x. Nothing but tens and ones place digit be x, because they given tens and ones digits of a two digit numbers are same. So consider both ones place digit and tens place digits be x. Then now you can frame a two digit number. The two digit number formed is equals to 10 into x plus, it is in the tens place, plus 1 into x. 1 into x will give x only, because it is in the ones place. Okay, 10x plus x will become two digit number. 10x plus x, 11x. Okay, this is the number. Now you have to reverse. Reverse nothing but reverse the number is equals to just 10x plus x. Same number only will get. So 10x plus x is equals to 11x. According to the condition. What condition given here? Again, number is added to its reverse. Number, what we got number here? 11x is the number. Its reverse. Reverse number also we got. That is also same 11x. When you added these two number, you will get 88. Now, according to the question, number is added to its reverse is equal to 88. The sum is equal to, sum means plus, equal to 88. 11x plus 11x is equals to 88. Now we got the linear equation. 11x plus 11x is 22x. 22x is equals to 88. X equals to 88 divided by 22. 22 ones are 22 fours are. X value we got 4. Therefore, the required number is, what we got, what we considered here, 10x plus x is 11x. This is the two digit number. Now you have to substitute 10x plus x, x value you have to substitute. 10x plus x. 10 into 4, 40 plus 4, 44. Or you can substitute directly here 11 into 4. 11 4s are 44. Like that also you can do. Now we got the required number is 44. He asked what is the number. The number is 44. This is our answer. D question. Solve for x. X square minus 9 divided by x plus 3 is equals to 4 by 7. Like this questions we solved in worksheet 1. Here write down the question. Now look at the numerator. X square minus 9 can be written as x square minus 3 square. You can, using identity, you can write x square minus 9 as x square minus 3 square. 3 into 3, 9. Divide by x plus 3, write as it is equals to 4 by 7 as it is. X square minus 3 square. It is in the form of a square minus b square, where a is x and b value is 3. It can be written as a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. So now we can write x square minus 3 square as x plus 3 into x minus 3. Divide by x plus 3 as it is equals to 4 by 7. X plus 3 in the numerator and x plus 3 in the denominator get cancelled. Remaining is x minus 3 is equals to 4 by 7. Go for cross multiplication. 7 into x minus 3 is equals to 4. 7 into x. 7x minus 7 3s are 21 is equals to 4. 7x is equals to 4 minus 21 converts to plus 21. 7x equals to 21 plus 4 is 25. X equal to 25 by 7. So, we got x value is 21 by 7. Only they asked solve for x. Only how to find the x value. Last question from B main, that is E1th question. Rohan bought a pack of 100 chocolates on his birthday to distribute in his class. After giving 2 chocolates to each student and his class teacher, he is left with 10 chocolates. How many students are there in the class. Here Rohan have total 100 chocolates. He want to distribute these chocolates in his classroom. How he distributed? Given here. After giving 2 chocolates to each student, he gave two chocolates to each student along with his class teacher. For class teacher also, he gave 2 chocolates. After giving 2 chocolates to students and also for class teacher, he is left with 10 chocolates. Total 100 chocolates are there. He distributed two chocolates to each student and also for class teacher. After distributing, he is left with 10 chocolates. Now you have to find how many students are there in the class. Okay. First consider, let the number of persons having chocolates be x. Number of persons, these persons includes students and also class teacher, because Rohan gave chocolates to students and also for class teacher. So total persons got chocolates be x. So you have to consider, let the number of persons having chocolates be x. Okay. According to the question, he gave for each person 2 chocolates. 2 chocolates. So 2 into x. This is each person, total person, into x into 2 plus how many remaining? 10 is equals to 100. Total 100. So one more time I am going to explain here. What you consider x is the number of persons having chocolates. Number of person, this x includes class teacher and also number of students. How many chocolates gave? 2 chocolates. 2 into x. Plus after giving, how many chocolates left with him? 10 chocolates left with him. So total distributed chocolates plus total remaining chocolates, which is equal to total number of chocolates he had, is equals to 100. Now you got a equation here. 2x is equals to 100 plus minus plus 10 take to this side, it becomes minus 10. 2x equal to 100 minus 10, 90. X equal to 90 divided by 2, 2 ones are 2, 45 are. X we got 45. X what we considered? X is number of persons. Number of persons. But what question he asked? How many students? Only how to find the students. This x includes class teacher also. This is very important, children. X is not our answer. You have to subtract class teacher from this total number of persons. So then you will get the number of students in the class. Thus number of students is equals to number of persons having chocolates minus number of class teacher. Class teacher always 1. So this is the total person minus 1 class teacher. 45 minus 1 will give 44. 44 is the total students in the class. This completes B main all questions.